Hey guys, welcome to the first unboxing. So here we have a product known as a Wen 16-inch variable speed scroll saw. And then I'm gonna unbox it, test it, then I'm gonna rate it. Alright, so we got our instructions. In a bag. Nice large piece of styrofoam. And we got our massive scroll saw with an extra blade, some tools, and a couple of attachments. And we got our big scroll saw. And they gave us a little piece of wood. And let's just check to make sure there's nothing else left in the box. Other than a big piece of styrofoam. Nope, that's it. Throw that away. Alright. So. Let's take this plastic coating off. There will be more products to come. So here we have the scroll saw. I'm doing the power cord right now. So first thing I can tell right off the bat, it was packaged really well. And I'm not sponsored by this, just want to mention that. Looks like we got our hose there for air. And then the adjustable base is pretty nice. This needs to get tightened. Alright. I mean, there'll be some adjustment that needs to be done. We got a little compartment for all the spares and parts. And then use a knob on the front here. This knob makes this go like this, and then when you tighten it, it prevents this from doing that. So right now it's at a flat, and then you got your dust port here, your on-off switch, and then your number of strokes per minute, and then what do we got here on the other side? Huh. I mean, we got our LED light right here, which we would probably going to want like right there. And then this, I'm gonna guess attaches to an air line. I've got a little compressor for that. And it even has a gauge here on what angle it's set at. And then we've got your part and serial number and everything. So I think what it's time for is we are going to see this. That's nice. What else do I want to do? So why don't we go over, find an outlet, and test it. Okay, so we got this all plugged in and everything. we're going to keep this on the low setting. There's actually no vibration at the low setting. And I'm going to turn it up to about medium pace. And first thing we got here is a capstick. It's a jumbo. Will it cut through? Cuts like butter with a hot knife. And then I'm gonna shut it off so I don't cut myself. I'm going to have to tighten up that screw there. And then we're going to turn it back on. Alright, it cuts through that like nothing. And I'm going to sample this piece of board that came with it. And this is a really good design. It's a nice size scroll saw. It has adjustable length. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to turn it up all the way. There's actually some pretty high vibration there. So we're going to turn it back to where there's like none. Cuts through it like nothing. Cuts really good curves. So there's one more thing I want to try, and it's a tube that came with it. I'm going to throw this up, and then I'm going to turn it all the way up. So it was having slight difficulties cutting through this 3/16 inch cardboard. And I think that's going to wrap it up. I'd rate this, with how limited they've made the vibration and everything, I'd probably rate this like a 4.5 out of 5 star. And the only thing is about, I'd say it's the vibration when you get up to about the higher speeds, like when you go all the way, then you'd really want to have this thing bolted down onto a table. But that's going to wrap it up. Hopefully this was nice and short, and I will see you guys again soon.